he said about the benefits of meditation and how it works in our health, how it helps to relax our mind, and how it brings our mental peace. He told everything. Hi everyone, how are you all? Hope you all are fit and fine. I am also fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. And thank you so much for giving me such a great opportunity to talk something in front of you. It's an honor for me to talk in front of you. So, at first, I want to introduce myself. Yeah, my name is Nishat Tasnim, and my batch nong is 97, and my ID nong is 4264. I am in my early 20s. I am from Savar, and currently I am living at Islamnagar in Savar. And I am a student at Government Titumi College in the Department of English. And I study English because it's my favorite subject. I love this subject since from my childhood. And English is an international language. So without learning English, we can't communicate with the people of other countries. And without learning English, we will lag behind. English is important for our day-to-day life. If we want to, go abroad, then we must need to learn English. And if we want to get a good job, we need to learn English. If we want to get a high salary job, then we must need to learn English. So whatever you are going to do, you must need to learn English. And that's the reason why I'm interested in learning English. And also I have told that it's my favorite subject since from my childhood, and that's why I'm learning English. I'm pursuing my graduation in English. And right now I'm doing a foundation English course at English Therapy. I'm doing this course to become more fluent in English, and I want to overcome my afraidness. I want to become more confident. That's why I'm doing this. And now I'd like to talk about my future goal. Well, I want to be an English teacher in future. And if I want to talk about my hobby, because I have already told about my aim, I want to become an English teacher. And I'm interested in traveling. And I have traveled some places of Bangladesh. The places are Cox's Bazar, Saint Martin, Bandarban and Sylhet. And inshallah, I will travel more and more, and I will share my traveling stories with you. And I would like to talk about my favorite food. Well, I like Chinese food, and I visit restaurants very frequently to have them. And I would like to talk about my favorite day in a week. So it's definitely Friday, because on that day I visit the graveyards of my mother. And I would like to talk about my favorite place. So my favorite place is Cox's Bazar and Saint Martin. I like the Cox's Bazar because of the night view and because of the scenic beauty of Cox's Bazar. Whenever I go to visit the Cox's Bazar, I always try to enjoy the night view of Cox's Bazar. I like the sea sound. I like to roam around, and when I go to the Cox's Bazar, I try to buy some pickles and other local foods from there. And I also buy ornaments which are made with seashells. I try to buy them when I go there. And I like Cox's Bazar because whenever I visit the place, it gives me pleasure. It removes my monotony. And as I'm a nature lover, and I love to spend time with nature. So traveling gives me a chance to connect with nature. And whenever I visit Cox's Bazar, it gives me pleasure, it refreshes my mind, and it removes my monotony. And that's why I like the place. And I like Saint Martin because it's a wonderful island. And whenever I visit the place, it also helps me to relax, it gives me pleasure. So, and I like the beauty of Saint Martin, really. So, these are my favorite places. And now I'd like to talk about my favorite month. Well, it's definitely July, because during this time it rains a lot, and I love rain. So that's in short about myself. And now I would like to talk about the Quantum Day and Tea Party, which was arranged by English Therapy. So a few days ago, English Therapy had arranged a Quantum Day and Tea Party for us, for all the students of English Therapy. And I attended the Quantum Day. On that day, at first we went to the Quantum Foundation. Then we wrote down our name. Then we went to the room where the quantum and the meditation will be held. Then if I want to talk about the room, The environment of that room was peaceful. It was quiet, calm, peaceful environment, and the sitting arrangements were done perfectly. And after going to that room, I took my seat there, and then a quantum lecturer came, and he started his lecture. So he told us, three stories. He cracks jokes, and I really enjoyed the stories. And all the students of English therapy enjoyed the stories, because after telling the stories, he told us the moral lessons of that story. I would like to mention one story, because he told us three stories. But now I would like to mention one story that he told us a story. A student who used to live with his teacher, and he used to learn from his teacher. It was about a long years ago, and he was a very good boy. He was meritorious, he was intelligent. So the teacher liked him very much. So the teacher was satisfied with the behavior of that student. So one day the teacher thought that maybe he should give some reward to his student. So he called the boy, and he told him that I want to give you some reward because I am satisfied with your behavior and all. Then the student said, okay, no. At first the student denied, and he said that no sir, I don't need anything. It's okay, I live a simple life. I don't need anything. Then he told this for twice time, for 2 times or 3 times maybe. Then after some time, the boy agreed to make his wish, and the boy said that okay sir, I'm going to make a wish. But the teacher said, okay, you can make your wish, but there is a condition. What was the condition? The teacher said that you can ask for only one time. You will never get a second chance to ask anything. Then the boy said, okay sir, I understand. So now the boy is going to make his wish. So he told that, sir, I want to see myself in a house which is made of gold. I want to see myself in a bed that is made of gold, and in that bed I want to see myself that I am happily enjoying my life with my grandchildren and their children. After a long years passed, I want to see myself that I am dying with the name of Allah. I am calling the name of Allah, and then I am living this world happily. So the teacher was surprised with his words, and the teacher said, what else you live? You just wanted everything, The student said, sir, it's because you won't give me any second chance. So I just asked for everything at one time. Then the teacher, and I must say that the boy is really clever. The boy is intelligent, and then after this story, the quantum lecturer, explained us the moral lesson of the story. He said that in our life, if we want to become successful in life, it's very important to know what we want from our life. Mindset is really important. So the boy actually made his mindset before, and that's why he could told that in that time, in the perfect time. So yes, if we do not set our mind, or if we do not think about that what we want in life, if we don't know that, then we will run for just unnecessary things, and that will destroy our life, and we can't become successful in life because of that. So yeah, mindset is important. So I learned from him that if we want to become successful in life, we have to make a proper mindset up that what we want in our life. Okay, maybe the video is getting longer. That's why I just shared one story. Anyway, so after that, the quantum lecturer showed us, 2 videos. He said about the benefits of meditation and how it works in our health, how it helps to, relax our mind, and how it brings our mental peace. He told everything. And then he showed us 2 videos regarding quantum. So in the first video, we saw that the first video was about what is quantum, and how it helps to improve our health, and who was the inventor of quantum, and they told about their courses also. And in the second video, a doctor came and he told us the benefits of meditation, the benefits of quantum and all. And the doctor said that there are some diseases which actually come from our mind and directly affect into our body. So meditation is the treatment for those kind of those kind of problems or disease. So these are not actually disease, these are come from our minds, and if we want to recover from that, we need to do meditation. So meditation helps us in various ways, and and the doctor told us about the benefits of meditation, and he told us that meditation will help us to relax, it will bring peace in our mind, and it will help us to do our work properly, and it will help us to become more confident. It will help us to become confident. Yeah. So he told about the benefits of meditation. And after that, we did, a 19 minutes meditation. Yeah, they gave us a 19 minutes meditation, and we did it. And after doing the meditation, maybe it's a long time, 19 minutes meditation, yeah. But after doing the meditation, we feel relaxed, we feel peace in our mind. And maybe when we will do this meditation again and again, maybe it will help us to become relaxed, and it will maybe improve our health, your mental and physical health. So that's how meditation helped us. That's how the function ended on that day. And after doing that function, we went outside from that room. We came downstairs, and then we came out from that foundation. And after that, we enjoyed a tea party. English Therapy arranged a tea party for us, for all the students. So we, after coming out from that quantum, we just stayed in a line, and we were practicing our outdoor sessions with our partners. We were speaking English, and we were just practicing. And at that time, our mentors came and gave us token. With the token, we took tea from the tea shop, and we took the tea from the tea shop, and we start our practicing. So I am a tea lover, and I also love English language. So the combination of tea and English language is a heaven for me. So I really enjoyed that day. So yeah, that was all about my quantum day and tea party. I enjoyed that day very much, and I want to give thanks to English Therapy that they have arranged such a beautiful event for us. Yeah, if they will arrange again the quantum day or tea party, I will definitely join that, and I will share my stories again with you. Thank you so much for hearing me with patience. Thank you.